Wonderhussy here. I'm way down south in Southern California. In fact, I'm so far south, I'm only about 15 miles from the border with Mexico. It's a really interesting part of the country, and there's a ton of interesting abandoned stuff to explore down here. And then there's also some really quirky, interesting tourist attractions that I thought you guys might enjoy checking out. And here's one of them. Okay, this place is called Coyote's Flying Saucer Retrievals and Repair Service. I mean, it might just look like a bunch of crazy junk to you, but guess what? There really are some flying saucers here. I've never seen a flying saucer up close. We better go check that out. But before we get to all the flying saucers, look at all this other crazy stuff. Traffic cones, alien traffic cones with brooms and mops sticking out of the top. That's an interesting idea. And then look at this. Haven't seen one of those for a minute. An old phone booth. Wow, yeah, I wonder where this was from. Because look, wherever it was from, it was 10-minute call limit. It's almost like in prison or something. Wow, oh look. Stickers, I better get one of those stickers. Hopefully they have those for sale. And then, oh wow, look. The phone even has an alien on it. I wonder what happens when you pick up the phone. Hello? What? The earth is flat? Okay, I don't know about this phone, but there is a lot of other interesting stuff to look at out here. Like, look at this bar. Tell a Lie Vision. Oh wow, that kind of reminds me of that art piece at East Jesus in my Slab City video. They have all those TVs with slogans painted on them like that, like anti-TV slogans. Look at this. Interesting. Little kind of like a podium and a bar. Looks like a bar at a Burning Man camp, if you've ever been to Burning Man. Wow, look at this phone. Back in the day, remember? Conair that made phones, wow. Yes, if you need to take some notes when you get your calls. Oh, like here's some information about it. Coyote's Flying Saucer at gmail.com. Oh, cool. Look, if you want to make any donations, you can send them to that email address on PayPal. Help this guy collect more junk, I guess. That's cool. I mean, it is an interesting roadside attraction. Here's one of the flying saucers. Man, I really want one of those acrylic domes, but I feel like they're really hard to come by. I really want an acrylic globe, like an astronaut helmet or one of those old-timey Martian space helmets. So if anybody watching this has the means to make me one or get me one for cheap or happens to have one, I really want one of those acrylic old-timey spaceship domes. Oh, look. Here's a tip jar. I'll have to put a tip in there before I leave. I like stuff like this. I'll support it. Look, here's another one of those acrylic domes. Dang. I mean, they must be really expensive. These ones have peace signs on them. It's interesting. I wonder why the other one had the same little peace sign logo. I wonder what it's from or if you put that on there. Oh, wow, look. Here's one of the actual aliens. Yikes. Take me to your leader. Look at this one. Oh, this is a girl. And how do I know it's a girl? Well, she's wearing pink camo and she has alien boobies. They're kind of pointy though, look. Woo, oops, sorry, hashtag me too. Okay, look down here. Looks like their road's blocked off. They don't want you to go down here. Maybe this is where the guy lives. Wow, I bet the guy who runs this place is a trip. I mean, look. Here we have a skeleton in a hard hat with a Hostess cinnamon streusel coffee cake box on one arm and a sign that says slow on the other. I mean, you tell me, this guy has to be pretty interesting, right? Anybody who builds all this, he must be pretty cool. Wish he was around. Oh wow, look at this thing. Yikes. Holy cannoli, that thing is frankly terrifying. That thing's kind of terrifying too. Oh, that's one of those really creepy hairdresser mannequin heads. They're made with actual human hair for hairdressers to practice on. I have some that I use as wig heads. Wig stands for my wigs. Yikes, look at the back of this camper shell. It's just full of the most interesting stuff. I mean, I feel like I'm probably not supposed to go back here though because it's kind of blocked off. Like this is his private property, so I'll just back up. Okay, now let's go back over to this side. Looks like there's some real interesting stuff back here. Look at this Jeep, that's cool. Look at the license plate, Skull 6. You wanna know why it has that license plate? Because look at the driver's seat. Whoa. It's like Skeletor from He-Man. Holy moly. Wow, look at all that camo netting too. This Jeep would just blend right into the desert if you didn't know it was here. Wow, look at this old Imperial. Holy cow, that's a beaut. What a grill on this baby. Let's look inside. Oh wow, look, furniture, moving blanket upholstery, and a big stock pot. And it's like a backpacking mat and a blanket. How cozy. Guess someone's getting ready to sleep in the back. And look at this old RV. I guess they don't want you to go in the RV because there's a private property sign. And even if you wanted to go in it, I don't think you could fit because look how much stuff is piled up in it. Holy crike, look at Santa Claus. That looks like the bottom of a snowman maybe. I can't, oh, is that a big alien painting? Holy cow. Interesting. Keep going down this way. Down between the RV and the Imperial. By the way, about that Imperial, look at how cool the font was. Man, they used to make those car logos so cool. Now you look at like a car logo or emblem and they're pretty weak in my opinion. Oh, it doesn't say anything. It's saloon doors. Oh, I see what it is. Look. This is a saloon. See how it's all like chained off, velvet rope? But you got to walk through these double doors into the saloon. And then here you are. You're at Coyote's Rattlesnake Saloon. Here's the bar, but there's no bartender. Let's go back behind the bar and see what they have on offer. Oh man, the bar's dry. No wonder this place went out of business. Oh, and it looks like it's kind of like a bunch of couches grouped up into a seating area and they're all facing toward this makeshift stage out of these old spools. Well, that is super cool. And what a backdrop to that giant boulder. Do some cool performances on there. Holy cow, let me just do a pano over this whole craziness. I mean, this is just a jumble full of nutty stuff. Whoa, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna test you guys and see how good you are at your upside down reading. Check your storm cloud at the door. Hey, that is not a problem here. No storm clouds here, just sunny days. Okay, wow, this was definitely worth a stop to poke around at. I'm actually on my way to another attraction that's just right down the road. Okay, here it is, the Desert View Tower. Basically just this big stone tower that's on top of this mountain that looks way out over the desert. But I think they charge $6.50 to go in. I'm not sure it's worth it. I'm on a budget. Let's see what it says. Climb the tower and explore the Boulder Park. Take a gander at our great gift shop. Oh, and then look over here. Purchase tickets at tower before entering caves. There's caves you can go in. Well, that sounds kind of cool. But I don't know. I'm on a budget, man. $6.50 just to look at a view. I mean, I feel like I could see the view myself just standing over here. Oh, look, there's a historical marker that tells us a little bit about. Let's see if we can go find some info out. Mountain Springs Station Site. So apparently there used to be an old store when they used to pull wagons up this grade, which is a 30% grade. It's no joke. Like this highway over here, this part of I-8, it really does. It goes way up over these mountains and it's steep and windy and there's radiator water like every half a mile in case you start overheating. Anyways, I guess this was like a historic, well, you can read it. Pause it if you want to read the whole thing. But the whole shtick of this tower is, from up here you get this amazing view. You can see the whole dang valley. It's pretty impressive. This landscape out here is absolutely beautiful. I've never been to this part of the country, but it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. It's so quirky and weird and like this weird no man's land right by the border, you know, like right over those mountains there's Mexico and there's all kind of people trying to sneak over, crawl through these canyons. There's water bottles stashed everywhere that people leave for them so they don't die of thirst. Just a really weird place. Really like it. Okay, I'll go in the gift shop. Look at how cool this gift shop is. Little buffalo, stone buffalo head. Look how cool this tower is. That's beautifully built. It kind of reminds me of the Hard Luck Castle in a way. Oh, look, everybody signed their name who's been here. That's cool. Oh, look, there I am. Hey. Oh, wow, I want to buy this jacket. Holy cow, look at this band leader's jacket.
Started construction 1920.
Okay, so that's good.
Yeah.
Beautiful old organ, piano. Oh, I guess piano, but holy cow, that is gorgeous. Oh wow, and look at this piano. Holy moly, this does remind me of the Hardluck Castle. Wow, hold on, it's actually a player piano, look. You put those sheets in and it automatically plays them. Oh wow, I always wanted to see one of those. It's like so easy to play, you just pump those pedals.
Actually, it takes a little bit of effort. It's a good workout.
Oh, there you go. You don't have to use that stair.
Oh, you're working out your calves, look at that. You're gonna have awesome calves.
Yeah.
So that's, you're rewinding it.
Yeah, it was about at the end of the Come on.
Oh, he's rewinding it. Oh my god, that is so freaking cool. Oh no way, I was gonna sing that as a joke and that's really what it's playing. All the doo-dah day. Look at all the songs for it. There's the Star Spangled Banner, the Tennessee Waltz, Summertime, As Time Goes By, all the classics. And what a deal, $5.69 a roll. That is super cool.
That's a steal, huh?
That is a steal. Okay, man, I really wanted to spend the $6.50 to go up in the tower, but I'm on a budget realistically. I don't make a lot of money and that would be kind of silly, so you get the same idea here for free. Although I would like to support that guy because it seems like a cool operation, but I bet they're making a pretty good amount. I mean, the place was pretty crowded and some guy in front of me just bought 4 tickets to go up, so I think they're doing okay. If you're traveling through here and you are interested in checking it out, you also get for the $6.50, not only do you get admission into the tower, you get admission into those caves, and there's like a little boulder park and some goofy stuff to look at. So I'm sure it's worth it for most people, just not broke ass fools like me. But hey, guess what? I may be broke, but I'm free. And I'm loving every minute of it. What a cool gimmick though, you know, just build a crazy big tower in the middle of some godforsaken place and then charge people money to come in and take a look around. Maybe I should start charging people to come to my house and look through my closet. Or wait a minute, I don't think I want to attract that kind of attention.